Hier so um die Ecke.
Okay.
Hier reinfahren, oder?
Did you go to Scarborough? On the standing stones?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. That's all good.
Nur gute Straßen.
Welcome back to the vlog. It's Monday the 20th of May. It's going to be a seriously busy week this one. Various different things on, which means car hire is pretty much fully booked for this whole week. On Wednesday there is a big cruise ship, I think it's Mein Schiff again, which has been in the other week. And there's also another cruise ship on the Thursday, I think it's got about 4,500 passengers. And then you've also got the Orkney Folk Festival, which is also at the end of this week. If you enjoy this series of vlogs, please like and please subscribe to the channel. Hi there.
Hi. Hello. Hello.
You got your driving license there?
Should we do?
False driving?
Is that how you want to go? Drive.
Let's get started. Drive safe.
Just wait. Just wait.
Are you sitting in the front room now, is it?
Oh, we do have.
Thursday. Thursday afternoon. See you later. Yeah, bye. Okay, thank you.
Maybe you'll come back, we left the country.
I'll come looking for you.
It's not smart to go, is it?
No.
Okay, I can't exactly get away.
It's Wednesday the 22nd of May today. Yeah, it's going to be a busy one. See it in the distance, Mein Schiff. Just coming in again. It's pretty foggy today. A little bit drizzly, but hopefully it'll clear up for a better day later. 44 cars in or out today and 33 tomorrow, so that's going to be insanely busy.
Filled in both hands. Lots of forms.
Wow, that was busy. That's our busiest morning so far this year. Hi there. Hi. Just returning.
Just returning, yes.
Have you managed to fill it with fuel again?
Yes.
Yeah. No worries.
It's not so easy to drive on the wrong side.
No. A bit of a different experience.
Yeah. And I was only the co-driver.
Yeah. All good. Okay. Thank you. See ya.
Stehen wir hier um die Ecke.
Okay.
Wir reinfahren oder?
Did you manage to fill it with fuel?
Ja.
Yeah. Right. All good. Did you have a good time? Yeah.
Ja. Alles gut geklappt.
Yeah. Yeah. That's all good.
bleiben?
If you put it here, yeah.
Ja.
Uh-huh. Did you go to Scarborough? On the standing stones?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. That's all good.
Nur gute Straßen.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay, thank you. Yeah, see ya. Bit of a language barrier between me and that last customer. They didn't speak any English and I don't speak any German. But we got there in the end. Yeah, have you managed to fill it with fuel again?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
let's give it a check round for you. Yep, all good. Okay, did you have a good time?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect. I'll just check this one over. Did you manage to put fuel in it?
Yes.
Yeah.
More than I had
Okay.
before. More. 3 liters. Please.
Okay.
This way. Yeah. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you. See ya. It's Thursday the 23rd of May. We were set to have a very busy day today, but somebody's just messaged me and told me that the cruise ship is cancelled. I think it's the Regal Princess. Seems to be on its way out of Orkney. It's just on marine traffic, looks like it's leaving. So I think we had about 33 cars out today, so that's not so good. No sign of it. By the looks of it, it came in and it's then left again due to the choppy seas. It's Friday the 24th of May. Yesterday was a bit of a disaster. No cruise ship. The flights were all delayed because it's severe fog here. Also this week we've had 5 or 6 cars damaged on hire. So yeah, it's been a tricky one. So it's a different kind of shipment today. By the looks of it, it looks like a NATO warship. A NATO ship.
Hi there.
Hello. We all arrive en masse.
I'll probably arrive in your car if you want.
Oh, that's yes.
Is it just yourself?
No, it's two
I'll have 2 bags
Two
there.
Herberts
I'll
over there.
pop them in.
Thank you.
Is it vegan?
Yeah.
It's Saturday morning, in for another busy one today. There's a cruise ship in and there's also an Inverness flight which actually gets in about an hour before we open, but I thought I'd come in early, pick them up, take them into our office and let them get on their way. It's super busy this morning. Everything that's came back needs to be washed and hoovered because it's going back out straight away. And I think the office is chock-a-block by what Graham's just said, so busy. This is about the 6th interior I've done this morning. That's it for this week. If you enjoyed the video, please like and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you and see you in the next one.